Commander ZILLAX did not look up from his screen. Define situation. The officer swallowed. The human is cooking inside Containment Zone 7. ZILLAX froze. The Cub Zone.
Oh yes.
Sir ZILLAX turned slowly. And why are you shaking? The officer pointed at the monitor. Because the KRATHIC death cubs are sitting beside her. ZILLAX blinked. Say that. Again. They are sitting beside her, calm, quiet, like pets. ZILLAX said. Very low. KRATHIC cubs do not sit. That is what we thought. Sir ZILLAX leaned in. Show me the live. Feed. The screen lit up. Containment Zone 7 was built to hold young. Predators that could kill anything they saw. But the feed showed something worse. Something impossible, eh? Human woman stood at a small heater, stirring a metal pan like she was at home. Her name tag read EMMA. Johnson, around her, sat 6. KRATHIC cubs, not pacing, not snarling, not slamming the walls, just sitting. They formed a neat half. Circle, tails flat, claws tucked, mouths closed. Their eyes followed the pan like it was the most important thing in the galaxy. ZILLAX felt cold. This is a system fault. The officer shook his head. Diagnostics are clean. We checked 3 times. ZILLAX watched as Emma Johnson hummed while she cooked. One cub leaned forward. Emma spoke without looking. Wait your turn, sweetie. Everyone gets some. The cub leaned back. ZILLAX stared. Get xenobiologist Azila now, in the council channel. Sir? ZILLAX snapped. Now, in moments. Holograms filled the command deck. Council reps appeared. Tense and confused. One counselor stared at the feed. Commander. ZILLAX, why is a human inside a predator pen? Answered flat. I was hoping you could tell. Me. Then Azila arrived. Her eyes locked on the screen. No, that is not possible, ZILLAX asked. What part? Pointed KRATHIC juveniles cannot wait for food. They cannot take turns. Their brains do not do that. On screen, Emma Johnson scooped food into 6 bowls. Okay, babies. Dinner time. The cub sat up straighter. They did not rush. They did not fight. They waited. Emma set the first bowl down. There you go. Stripes. Good job. The largest cub lowered its head and ate, slow and neat, like it had manners. Azila whispered, she is feeding them like a family, ZILLAX said. And they are letting her. Council rep leaned closer. Is she talking to them? Another voice answered. Shaking, she named them. EMM scratched one cub behind the ridge of its ear. The cub made a soft rumble, a pleased sound. Azila stared at her scanner. That is a bonding sound. A security officer rushed. In, Commander. Update from Containment Zone 8. ZILLAX hated that sentence. What about the adult? KRATHIC is watching the feed from Zone 7, and it is calm. Sir, ZILLAX repeated. Calm, yes. Aggression is dropping. The room went quiet. If the adult calmed down. The change was spreading. On screen, Emma cleaned the pan. The cubs followed her steps, bumping her legs like kittens. One cub rolled onto its back. A trust move. A deadly predator showing its belly. Emma laughed. You want belly rubs? You are silly. She rubbed its belly. The cub kept its claws. Tucked ZILLAX gripped the rail. Azila turned to him. She has been here 3 weeks. ZILLAX went. Still, 3 weeks. The galaxy had studied KRATHICs for centuries and failed. One human walked in with a frying pan and snacks and rewrote the rules of nature. Emma looked up at a camera. Hello? Why are there emergency ships outside? Did I do something wrong? ZILLAX leaned into the mic. EMMA. Johnson, step away from the cubs. Emma frowned. Why? Because they are Class 7 predators. Emma looked down at the cubs and sighed. Oh, you mean the babies? She waved a hand. They are fine. We are doing enrichment time. Blinked enrichment. Emma pointed at puzzle boxes. Mittens. Figured out the lock already? Mittens. Pushed a box forward like a trained pet? Azila whispered. That puzzle was made for adults. Emma smiled. They are smart. They just needed someone patient, Council Rep snapped. Isolate the human. She is a threat. ZILLAX watched the cubs stay close to Emma like. Guardsy spoke carefully. Do not think we can isolate her, the Council Rep demanded. Why not? ZILLAX answered. Because. The cubs would object. After what he saw, he was not sure anyone could stop them. Emma clapped her hands. Okay, kiddos. New game, all 6 cubs locked on her voice. Stripes. Come. Stripes. Ran over and sat. Stay. Stripes. Stayed. ZILLAX felt sick. Azila whispered, This is not normal. Training, ZILLAX asked. Then, what is it? Azila said. One word, parenting? Shrugged at the camera. Yeah. She crouched near a cub. You do not scare babies into being good. You teach them, no one spoke, because the old methods were fear and force, but the human used structure and calm, routine and care, food and praise. Then Emma asked, a cheerful, quick question. Can KRATHIC cubs eat sweet potatoes? Did not blink. He turned to his officer. Give her sweet potatoes. The officer hesitated. Even if it breaks protocol. Said especially if it breaks protocol. I guess. He did not want to learn what happens if a human mother gets told no. On the feed. Emma smiled at the cubs. Dinner soon. Then nap time. The cubs yawned like sleepy toddlers, the galaxy's deadliest baby predators. Had a bedtime routine? Azila exhaled. Commander, yes, Azila. Watched Emma gently stroke a cub's head. I think we found the answer to a 3,000-year predator crisis. ZILLAX nodded once. Then, he said the worst truth of all. And she does not even know she is doing it. If you want more HFY stories like this, subscribe now. It is free, and it helps a lot. Asterisk if you enjoyed this story. Subscribe to Neon Cub Tales. Like the video right now. Comment your favorite cub name, and share this story with a friend who loves HFY Sci-Fi.